Okay, let's start our seminar. It's about weight loss and also for post-pregnancy weight loss. When we want to do weight loss, doesn't matter for post-pregnancy weight loss or just general weight loss. We have to understand why and how to do it. If you do things wrong, then regardless how much effort you put in, the outcome won't be good. So that's one thing very interesting. When I talk to my clients, most of the time, it's not they didn't put effort in, but rather they did something wrong. So after you watch this video, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. So we're going to focus on weight loss, but we're going to explain for post-pregnancy weight loss at the very last. The principle behind it is the same thing. The reason why I'm specialized in diabetes, but I want to do post-pregnancy weight loss, because diabetes is a metabolism issue. Post-pregnancy weight gain is the same thing when the metabolism worn out. And weight loss is also try to improve the metabolism so your body's metabolism rate can go up. Then you will naturally lose weight. First, let me introduce myself. I'm licensed in California, practiced over 30 years. I have a doctorate degree for acupuncture and Orient medicine. I have 6 years training as MD and a Chinese medicine doctor for acupuncture for herbs. In China, the best acupuncture school, which is in Beijing. What I can help patient the most actually is not from school, but from my master's apprenticeship training. In China, we believe Chinese medicine is like martial arts. You follow a big master, learn how to do it in person, hands by hand. Also, I'm a public speaker for a lot of professional groups at a university like Stanford, UCSF, UCLA. I'm also a public speaker for a big IT company in the Bay Area, like Microsoft, Google. I'm also a radio speaker, regular speaker for 96.1 FM called Bollywood. It's for Indian community. I'm Christian, so I put a Bible verse here. I believe everything in life apply the same thing. If you are wise, your wisdom will reward you. Weight loss is the same thing. But if you do something wrong or you understand wrong, you alone will suffer. Weight loss is a typical one. So for weight loss, every time when a patient comes in and says, Doctor, I want to lose 20 pounds, my first question is why? For your personal image, for energy, for chronic fatigue, for cholesterol level, for blood pressure, for diabetic. We know diabetic and weight gain is side by side. Or you want better health. For better health, I can help you. You just want to lose some weight, I can do it as a bonus, but it's just a piece of the whole picture. So if we're on the same page, it's not hard. But if you say, I just want to lose weight, nothing else I care, you probably won't have good outcome. That's why we'll give this presentation and tell you why, what, and how to do it. First, today everybody understands when you gain weight, your health probably go down. But when I was a kid, or 50, 100 years ago in India or in China, when some people gain weight or they're big and fat, most people think they're healthier. It's not weaker. Why today, after 50 years, this generation is turned upside down? When people, have huge weight, we think like they're not healthy. Why 50 years ago, 100 years ago was not like that? So if you think weight is a problem for health, then we need to solve the problem for health. If you think weight means I'm stronger, by the way, strong is not health at all. In Chinese medicine, weight gain means weak. So Chinese has a word called 虚胖. 虚 means weak, 胖 means fat. Weak, fat. That's how we describe weight gain. So by the words itself is telling the answer. Weight gain is weak. So let's talk about weak. Weak means your health goes down. Why your health goes down? Because your metabolism rate goes down and the weight goes up. So all the time I talk to my patient, how was your body 20, 30 years old? Or maybe teenage. Like, doesn't matter how I eat, my body shape was, I'm so strong, I'm so slim. But how about now? I'm 40, 50. I do have exercise. I walk 20,000 steps every day. I eat a salad and fruit only. I skip dinner, whatever reason. But my weight never goes down. Or even goes down in short term, a couple months later, came back. Why? Because you're not improving your metabolism rate. Very interesting. Most program on the market for weight loss does not target your metabolism rate, but the program in our clinic for diabetes or weight gain is for improving metabolism rate. So your energy will be better, your bowel movement will be better, your digestion will be better, your skin will be better, because when your metabolism rate goes up, your body regeneration, refresh itself is much better. Your lips color become more pinkish instead of dark. Your skin become more white, clean. A lot of women has, on the face, the dirty-ish discoloration. We're getting much better refreshed. That indicates your metabolism rate goes up. By the way, in your life, your metabolism rate can go up and down 40%. Just like income. Imagine your income go up and down 40%. How much that will impact your life. Same thing, when your metabolism rate go up and down 40%, how much will impact with your health, your energy, and your weight. So this is basic logic for us. When we treat your health, make your metabolism rate much better, your skin is better, digestion better, sex drive is better, sleep is better, then your weight will go down. So some patient will tell me, Dr. Wu, I didn't lose a lot of weight, but my body become more firm. Everybody told me I'm more slim. Yes, when your metabolism rate getting better, your body become more tight, not so loosened. So that's the thing. So we're going to share one story. Actually, it's a gentleman from diabetes treatment, but we're going to share the outcome so you can see.
Today my weight also I lose about 24 pounds. My weight is 44 pounds today. So I'm feeling good. I have I walk every day 45 minutes. Before I walk, I am tired. I don't feel like to go to walk. But now if I walk 45, 50 minutes, I am not tired. Today my diabetes level, AC level is 5.7.
So this gentleman came to my clinic for diabetes program. 3 months later, A1C from 8.7 dropped to 5.7. Complete normal range. But as a bonus, lost 24 pounds in 3 months. So I keep on telling my patient, weight loss is an outcome from raise up your metabolism. Weight loss is not my purpose. Make you healthy is my purpose. Raise up your metabolism rate is my purpose. Weight loss is a bonus outcome. So let's talk about health. Very interesting. When you talk to an MD, you say, I'm weak, I'm tired. They will ask you to do blood test, lab test. And most times they'll tell you, your x-ray is good, your lab test is good, your A1C, fasting sugar level is good, your cholesterol level is good, but I'm tired. Doctors say you're not sick, but I'm tired. Chinese medicine and Western medicine has a huge concept difference. Is we have a name called weak. All Chinese people know, like 心虚, 脾虚, 肾虚, heart is weak, kidney is weak, spleen is weak. The weak means the function is going down. So what's that mean? What you mean is weak. Everybody remember when you were teenage or when you were college, 3 nights no sleep. After taking a nap, you become normal. Couple of days, party, take a nap, everything's fine. You eat all kind of junk food, your body shape is good. That time, your metabolism rate is so high, you are so energetic, weight hardly become a problem for you. Chinese medicine call you're healthy, just like you're rich. You have a lot of money. I have $1 million a month income. Doesn't matter what I want to do. I spend money, money come in. But when you're around 30, 40, Chinese medicine believe you're weak. What does that mean? Get up, say, honey, I'm tired. Why? I didn't sleep well last night. I have a project ongoing. My mind cannot stop. I'm tired. Last night I didn't sleep well. Today I'm tired. Yesterday I didn't get a pay. This morning I have no money to buy food. Money-wise, we're not so rich anymore. It's poor. But I have no symptoms. I just feel tired, weak. So a lot of weight gain people will feel fatigued because metabolism rate goes down, energy level goes down. Then we'll get to a point. For women, when you have menstruation, I'm so tired, I feel sick, my belly hurts. Or for men, my neck hurts, get up. After use computer 2 hours, my lower back gets so stiff, couldn't get up. Or my sex drive goes down. After I eat, I feel bloated. All kind of symptoms. But when you go see a doctor, they say your blood test is good, your x-ray is good. But I don't feel good. I have a headache, I couldn't sleep, my energy goes down. I'm not feeling good. I'm not energetic. I don't have a passion for things. Chinese medicine called unhealthy. In Western medicine called functional disease. What that mean? Your whole body structure is still perfect, but it's not functioning well. Just like an old house. The house structure is there, but needed remodeling. You live there, you don't feel good, but it's still a house. That's the time people go see acupuncturist, chiropractors, naturopath. You put a needle in, you do moxide, a heating therapy, you crack your neck, oh, I feel better. But a couple of days later, I feel bad again. Why? It's like a credit card bill. You pay this month, you feel better, next month the bill sends you again. Functional wise, not able to keep up to the level we need. That's what happened, we call unhealthy. In Chinese medicine, you are sick. Not weak, it's sick already. For Western medicine, you are not sick, but you are functional in trouble. Then if you still don't do treatment, just like money, I don't pay my bill, I don't pay my mortgage. Sooner or later, the bank will come take away the house. Or like an auto loan, the bank will come take the car. That time, Western medicine called disease. Disease means not functioning at all. It's not only the function not to catch up what you need, but stop function. That time the doctor will say, sorry, your neck has disc issue, your lower back disc problem, sciatic nerve pain. For women, fibroids, breast cancer, tumor, heart attack, or cholesterol level, diabetes, stroke, whatever. Something's not functioning anymore. It's called disease. Only at that stage, doctor will treat you because you are qualified. But how about you're unhealthy? Your blood test, x-ray has nothing wrong, but you feel in trouble. Or my energy is just not good. In other words, when you are poor or with a credit card bill, the bank won't come after you. Only when you're bankrupt, you don't pay your mortgage for 13 months, something happened. But Chinese medicine believe when we treat a body, for example, weight gain, or your energy is low, we should start save money, raise up your metabolism rate, help your circulation, make you more rich for your health need. That's the huge difference from Chinese medicine and the Western medicine. In other words, everybody want to be rich, right? Everybody want to be healthy. Same thing. That's the reason some patients stay with me for years. For healthy, not for disease. If you have disease, go see a doctor. Of course, we can help too. But I do believe when we're poor or unhealthy for health, we should pay back to our health, take care of our body, instead of wait until one day bankrupt. Surgery, drugs is the only answer. That's too late. Then we probably want to know, if I want to be rich with my health, what should I do? Very interesting. In Chinese medicine, over 3,000 years, we talk about health. Only 4 departments. Number 1, your sleep. Number 2, what you eat. Number 3, how you use your body, exercise. Number 4, under what kind of stress or tension you are using your body. In other words, sleep. How much time you give your body rest. Second thing would be diet. What you eat become you. So if you have good enough sleep, sleep is not a problem. I use my body when I'm alert, wake up. When I fall asleep, my body has rest, self-recovery. And second thing, how about your diet? Diet, what you eat. We know whatever we eat become our body, at least become part of our body. So do you have a healthy diet? And very, very interesting for exercise. Most people want to lose weight with exercise, heavily exercise. But is that correct exercise for you? Might be not. We're going to explain later why. And the last one will be stress. Most people didn't think about it. Stress is an issue for weight gain. But the more and more MDs, physicians start recognize when people stress out, they either don't eat or they tend to eat too much. Doesn't matter sweet or snacks. That become a big reason for stress. And personally, I believe any long-term stress issue will impact on your stress. And the stress level will give your weight gain a huge plus as well. So that'll be another thing. So first, if you want to lose weight, you have to be healthy, not weak. And to be healthy, the magic pill is sleep. If you don't sleep, you're getting weak. When you're getting weak, your metabolism rate goes down. Your metabolism rate goes down, everything's stuck, stored in your body, and you gain weight. So for sleep, when do you go to sleep? Most people go to sleep like 11 p.m., 12 a.m., or 1 a.m. now. then you missed the best time for sleeping, because around 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. is your growth hormone release 80% if you are in deep sleep. Growth hormone is the one control all the hormone chains in your body. If the growth hormone not released well, then all the hormone in your metabolism, for example, the thyroid, pancreas, adrenal, all the hormone will be in trouble. That's the very initial. That's what in Chinese medicine called 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. initial time. The first the young, the energy raise up, because that's the time for growth hormone release. 80% if you are in deep sleep. Even you fall asleep, at least take half hour to get to deep sleep. So you need to go to bed at 10:30 if you have no sleep problem. Then around 11 p.m. you can get into deep sleep. Then your growth hormone can release 80% in the next 2 hours. So sleep, you need to go to bed before 10:30. If you always like stay late, even if you sleep 8 or 9 hours, your sleep might still have trouble. How much sleep you need? Chinese medicine believe around 8 hours or more. Some people less. Depends on how deep you sleep. Some people have heart issue, stress issue, they're shallow sleep. They can hear everything around them. How to test out the sleep? Buy a Fitbit, F-I-T-B-I-T, Fitbit watch. Test out your deep sleep. If this deep sleep is less than 1.5 hours, your sleep quality is in trouble. So if your deep sleep is 1 hour to around 1.5 hours, your body gradually is going down. It's kind of like natural aging process. If less than 1 hour, you have to fix your sleep problem before talk about health or your weight loss. So sleep is number one contribution, make you healthier or weak. So if you sleep well, sleep 8 hours, go to bed before 10:30, your sleep quality is perfect. And second thing is diet. What should you eat? When to eat? How to eat it? How to eat it means cooked or raw food. A lot of people eat a salad for weight loss. That's the worst thing for weight loss. Why? Some people drink ice water, ice cream, like this couple days so cold. And I saw a lot of people with weight gain eat a salad in a restaurant. You torture yourself, but also ruin your metabolism. In long term, you lose more weight. In short term, looks like I intake less calorie. It's not true. The weight loss doesn't work that way. And some people like fruits and salad for vitamins, nutrition. No, you have no problem for nutrition. Most people has a problem for absorption or discharge. We're going to talk about later. Basically, when your body's metabolism have trouble, Chinese medicine believe is the spleen, or called earth. You know, we have 5 elements in Chinese medicine: the earth, the wood, the water, the fire, the metal. The earth is in charge of the digestion, the metabolism. If the fat cannot be digested very well, people get a high cholesterol. When sugar, the carbohydrate, cannot be digested well, people get diabetes. And when the protein cannot be digested well, people get a gout. And doesn't matter which one, or the nutrition, we only have 3 major nutrition: fat, sugar, protein. Cannot be processed well, your metabolism rate slow down. You might not show up as high cholesterol, diabetes, or gout first, but you start gain weight. The fat start packing your body. And Chinese medicine believe the spleen, the earth, the cooking pot in your body is in trouble. Simple and straightforward. We're going to explain that later at last. Okay, if you sleep well, you eat well, now how about exercise? When you want to lose weight, what kind of exercise should you do? How much? How often? Very interesting. Most people for weight loss, when they do heavy exercise, 90% is wrong. Why? As we said, when you gain weight, your health is weak. Your metabolism rate is going down. If you're weak, just like money, I'm poor. Why spend more energy to exercise? Exercise spend energy, right? make you more weak. So for exercise, at least there's one thing. If you feel tired, don't exercise. If you didn't have enough sleep or good quality of sleep, don't exercise. Exercise is a spending. You need a saving for your health. We are not so weak. We are more healthy, more rich with your health. You will lose weight automatically. Only doing exercise itself does not help weight loss. For some people, for young guys with no problem with metabolism rate, it does work. But for most people, no. So when you have no energy, don't exercise. In Chinese medicine, we believe exercise has three kinds. Number one, sports. Very common in the United States. People do sports a lot, make themselves strong, but also cause sports injury. Why? Because the muscle tone is built up. But same time, when you do exercise, sports, fast and very tense. So like play ping pong, basketball, football, you cannot say I do slow motion. You have to be fast and very tense. That build up tension in your body as well. Second kind of exercise like stretching, like yoga. It helps your flexibility, release tension. How much you spend or how much you make it stronger or healthy depends how you do it. And Chinese one, the exercise, the typical one called Tai Chi. You see the slow motion with Chinese ladies, gentlemen in the park do the slow Tai Chi, like doing nothing but a very slow flow. That one, when you do it, you have to be relaxed and slow. Chinese medicine believe that's the way to build up your health. You guide your energy, your blood, your qi, the flow to strengthen internally. You cannot make yourself healthier in a quick, short way. There's no shortcut. You have to guide your energy flow, your blood flow slowly for the internal organs need. Then you feel better day by day. So if you want to lose weight, I highly recommend you learn Tai Chi. No sports if you're tired, no energy. Stretching, depends how you do it. So for weight loss, there's two kinds basically. One's we call it thinking of inside of the box. What I mean, if we imagine our digestive system like cooking pot, first we put less calories, so put less energy in. We eat less food. We eat a salad instead of carbohydrate. We cut down our meat, fat. We eat a lot of salad or fruits, fibers. So if we intake less energy, then we'll go exercise. We burn our fat. We burn our energy. We're supposed to lose weight. But this one is based on one thing. Your metabolism rate is high. You are energetic. For example, you're 20s, 30s, like COVID. Right now, everybody stay home and eat more. You gain weight. You go exercise, eat less. Of course you lose weight because you have no problem for metabolism rate. But when you're around 40, 50, your energy is so low, you're so tired, your metabolism rate is so low, you do the same thing, you will ruin your health instead of lose weight. Even you might lose weight in short term, but you make your body more weak. So I always tell patients, after you lose weight, how do you feel? Your energy is better or you feel more tired? So right now, like the 16-8 diet, like 16 hours no eat, 8 hours eat whatever you want. Of course, regular diet, not like eating crazy. Or people do intermittent fasting. I always ask them, do you feel tired after you skip meals or after you're doing fasting? If you do, intermittent fasting might not be good for you, especially for the people weight gain with chronic fatigue. In other words, I feel tired all the time and also I gain weight. Don't do intermittent fasting. You need to raise up your metabolism rate. So salad might not be a good choice. Or most of my patients I saw with metabolism rate problem, salad is the worst choice for weight loss. Another thing we emphasize, but not all the programs on the market emphasize, is stress or tension. Stress means mentally, have a lot of things going on. Tension is in your body. I can feel, I touch my muscle, I can feel it's tight. But your mental stress always expresses through your body tension. So in Chinese medicine is one thing, stress and tension. So when we release your body tension, mentally you feel more happy, less stress as well. So for better health, you need to sleep well, eat right, exercise, do the right exercise, not over exercise or heavy exercise, and reduce your stress. Then you can lose weight naturally. It's an outcome, bonus, not a purpose. For tension, we have a program called tension release. We do one-on-one with acupuncture, release all the tension we can check out in your body. You can feel it, I can feel it. There's so many tension built up in your body if you're in middle age. Why? Because long-term chronically, your muscle is worn out. Your posture, your range of motion is limited. When you do something, you become more stiff. So you walk in the park, you look at people's back. You don't have to look from front. Just look from their back. When they're walking, jogging, you can tell, oh, this guy is 40 something. That's a young guy. This is old man, 70s. They're slow, they're stiff. Tension is big contribution for aging. When we're getting old, we become more tense. It's pretty naturally. And in Chinese medicine, believe the tension belongs to the liver, the wood. We know the wood, the trees, the branches supposed to be soft, cannot be tight. That's how we describe the stress. In the Bay Area, the most common one is neck problem. If you touch your neck very stiff, or your spine, next to your spine, on your back, the muscle very tight, you know your tension level is high. Or a gallbladder channel, which is the outside of your thigh. You touch it, most people are very stiff because that's gallbladder channel. The gallbladder channel goes to the brain. If you're a mental worker, very easy to tell. Your mental stress is high. And in my clinic, a lot of time I look in your navel. If you look in navel, if you have a line or wrinkles, goes to your right hand. We believe your liver or your wood energy is too much. It's come from stress. So doesn't matter from tension, from diet, from sleep. Chinese medicine or acupuncture definitely can help weight loss, include post-pregnancy weight loss. Some people know acupuncture, Chinese medicine, herbs very well. Some people may not, just heard about it, never know what's going on. Actually, Chinese medicine or acupuncture make it very, very simple. There's only two kinds. One called external stimulation. Basically from outside your body, will give some stimulation. Doesn't matter, use a needle, use a heat, use cupping. Now in the United States, very popular, use a cup, suck on the skin. Or scraping, use a small board or spoon, scrape on the skin. Or bleeding, poke the skin, get blood out. Or another one called Meihuazhen, or called 7-star needle, just tap on the skin. Or acupressure, or massage. Acupressure, actually, we massage the acupuncture point. Regardless, all this treatment is from external stimulation for your body. Another one called internal. What that mean? Basically, we drink the herbs or diet therapy. A lot of Chinese soup, we call 25 soup, or clear heat soup, clear dumpling soup, that kind of thing. The chemical reaction in your body is an internal stimulation. Or like a breathing technique, like play Tai Chi or meditation, you do through breathing internally stimulate your body. So all the Chinese medicine or acupuncture treatment can be divided two kinds, external or internal. And if we know when we stimulate your body, what's the outcome we wanted, it's pretty easy to change your metabolism rate and change your health condition. That's the basic. The good news is, in my clinic, or all acupuncturist clinic, is supposed to be all natural treatment. Nothing chemical, nothing drugs. The side effects is the pain or aching you feel, the needle in and out. The mox I'm going to talk about later is a healing therapy. It has like over 3,000 years history and can raise up your metabolism rate tremendously. And there's Tuina, it's therapeutic massage or acupressure, there's herbs, there's therapeutic exercise for weight loss, Later on, when you join my program, I'm going to teach you, or stretching. So all this one might be part of your treatment if you need it, but make it very simple. Everything's all natural, no side effects. Or there's some effects, which is the pain, or sometimes once a while bruise or bleeding, but nothing danger. It's minor. Let's talk about weight gain or weight loss. Chinese medicine believe when people gain weight, several underlying issues going on. Number one, we talk about it, is weak. Energy goes down, fatigue. Doesn't matter if stress level is high or my sleep has trouble. Second one for weight gain is coldness. The coldness can slow down your circulation and slow down your metabolism, give more trouble for your metabolism. And a lot has come from your diet. We're going to talk about it in a second. Next one's tension or stagnation. Everything's stuck, just like a hand. If you hold a hand like a fist, the circulation will slow down. This describes how the stress, tension affect your health. The circulation just stacked. That's what we call stagnation. The next one called dampness. If the food is too greasy, cannot be digested well, it creates dampness in the body. But all this one affect your metabolism. When your metabolism rate goes down, your body weight goes up. So for weight loss, Chinese medicine believe your blood need to come down to your belly, because any fluid come into your body goes to the stomach until we poop out. The whole chemical process is in your belly, include the liver, the kidney. In the liver, break down all the nutrition, distribute all the nutrition to your body for the needs, or your kidney detoxing, recycle the water, vitamins, whatever. But the whole process includes your stomach, your small intestine, large intestine, everything happens in your belly. So if you have weight gain and you touch your belly are cold, your blood flow in your belly is in trouble. When no blood in your belly, your metabolism has no blood, which is the labor, the workers doing the metabolism for your digestion. In other words, no blood come to your belly, no worker, no laborers is doing the job. Just like you build up a house, no workers come here. Now how can you finish the project? That's the reason why you slow down your metabolism. So how to make the blood flow to your belly? Number one, sleep. Why? Because when you fall asleep, 70% of your blood circulation in your brain shut down. And your heart and your lung, the breathing and the heart rate, heartbeats, slow down 40%. You're not moving, you're not exercising while you sleep, right? So your arm and legs does not take more blood. All the extra blood from the 70%, your brain shut down, 40% your heart and the lung breathing slow down, goes to your belly. And finish your metabolism work. That's how your metabolism can get done. So no sleep, no metabolism. Metabolism work is not done, weight goes up. That happens every single day. If your belly is cold, you have no good sleep, your weight will go up. So that's also the reason when you play Tai Chi, you might lose weight. Why? Because Tai Chi, the first thing we'll ask you to relax, use your belly to breathe. The blood flow back to your belly. Or when we do moxa, the heating therapy, we suck the blood to your belly. So 90% of my patients doing moxa with acupuncture in my clinic will fall asleep. In a very short time, 5-10 minutes, they fall asleep. So moxa with acupuncture is increasing your belly circulation. And that's also the reason no cold food, no raw food. When you're stressed out, your belly is tied up. And no heavy exercise. Because when you exercise, your blood goes to your limbs. You look stronger, but your belly gets less circulation. So overall, in Chinese medicine, believe the weak, we talk about the weak, make your weight gain, is from the spleen and the kidney. The spleen is the cooking pot, and the kidney is the fire underneath. So we can understand the spleen, the earth, is the digestion, the cooking pot. And the kidney, which is the fire cook, the food, is the metabolism rate. That's the reason why senior middle age or people in 60s, 70s, easy to gain weight than the people in 20s. Because by age, Chinese medicine believe the kidney qi is weak, the fire getting less. Give a summarize. For better metabolism, if you want to improve your weakness, you need to sleep enough and rest enough. Not a lot of stress. You need to let your body relax, recover, so your body has better circulation to your belly and have better metabolism. That's the secret for weight loss. And on the opposite, how can you ruin your digestion system or spleen? Physically, you can drink cold temperature water, ice cream, whatever. As long as it's cold, physically, temperature-wise, is cold. Why? Because anything you drink or eat, you cannot digest in just cold water directly absorb to your blood. You have to heat up to your body temperature. The heated up process spend energy, and that make you wasting of your health and energy. If you gain weight, your energy is low. You're like, money, I'm poor. You don't want to spend a small money on just heated up the food. You can just cook it outside your body. Second thing, the same thing for salad, fruits, any raw food, or sushi, or medium raw barbecue beef, same thing. As long as you don't cook outside your body with energy, with heat, with fire, you have to cook inside your body. As long as you cook inside your body, doesn't matter raw food like salad or medium raw barbecue or sushi, you don't cook outside your body, it takes more energy to digest and cook inside your body. Again, if you gain weight, you're weak. If you're weak, you're poor with your health. Why waste that money, energy to digest food inside your body, but not cook and get it well done outside your body? That's Chinese medicine theory. So physically, temperature-wise or raw food can waste more energy. Also, after you eat food, there's one thing called after eating effect. Not only Chinese medicine, Ayurveda, the herb, Indian medicine also have a similar concept. For example, coconut water and melon are cold after you eat. Even you cook it, chemical-wise, the impact in your body is cold, slow down circulation. Raw veggie smoothie, special veggie smoothie, like you put some berries, green leaves, whatever, grind it, make a smoothie every morning, you drink it, you are thinking you're losing weight. No. It has cold impact on your body. It slows down your circulation. It ruins your energy. That's the worst food for weight loss. And this is the one I got from Ayurveda website. Chinese medicine has the same concept. As we all know, ginger is hot, chili is hot, curry is hot. After you eat it, the spicy, wow, you get sweat, you feel your body's hot. It's called after eating food impact. But coconut water make you cool down. Or green leaves, if you eat raw or smoothie, it's cold. It slows down your circulation. So in short term, it slows down your circulation, your absorption slows down, you lose weight. But in long term, it ruins your digestion and metabolism. Slow down your circulation. In long term, you will gain weight, or it's very easy to come back. So no coconut water, no bananas, no melons, all this one very cold. But mango, liuren, ginger, chili, spicy are hot. This also is the same concept with Ayurveda. And here is the website. So food drinks, the Ayurveda principle of food, like heat up and cool your body. Has that same one. I have a quote here from Ayurveda. But Chinese medicine has very strong emphasis on this one as well. So if you want to lose weight, don't drink or eat cold, like cool your body type after eating effect food. That's the thing. The internal nature of the food products, which have the site, which will have the effects on the body type. So for weight loss, several things. Number one, don't waste energy for food digestion. You need nutrition, yes, but you don't have problem with enough nutrition, but you have problem with absorption. And also for some people might have problem for discharge, especially if you go to bathroom, your poop take like more than 20 minutes, your intestine is not moving. That one with moxide heating therapy we do, most patients will tell, doctor, my bowel movement becomes so solid, take much shorter time, and my energy is better, your digestion is better. That's the way to do it. So for people, it doesn't matter with the breakdown the food after I eat, I feel like stuck there, or with absorption, doesn't matter how you eat it, I won't gain weight or I won't lose weight, or I have problem go bathroom. All this one can be stimulated by acupuncture and the moxide heating therapy, and get improved. And the outcome is weight loss. And this one's moxide. You see the pots? We put the moxide as the herbs, burn it and put it inside. And nothing goes into your body. It's by the heat, which has the same frequency of your body. We know all the heat is like infrared or light. Every light, energy, infrared has a frequency. And the moxide herbs, when you burn it, has the same frequency as your body. So they vibrate the same rhythm. Then your body will be heated up internal. It does not need to touch your body or go into your body. Just by like infrared, it goes into your body and heat it up. And once heated up your body, your circulation increases in your belly. And by increased the circulation in your belly, your metabolism rate will be speeded up. Most patients do this treatment around 3 to 5 times. You will see you have more bowel movement, urination, and gassing. Fart a lot, pee a lot, or poo a lot. Maybe one time, maybe a couple times. The quantity of it get much more. Your body try to discharge more, whatever. It does not need it. So this one is a very powerful treatment. And everybody in Chinese medicine believe your qi, your energy flow is not balanced. So put acupuncture to help make it perfect. That would be the weight loss program. Where do we do it? We do on the navel, which is belly button, and we do like 3 inches below. If you Google for acupuncture point, one called CV4, one called CV8, is the one for small intestine and for the spleen, the digestion. With acupuncture, help weight loss a lot. And we also do one thing called navel acupuncture. Most time when you do moxide, I will put a few needles in your belly, which is guiding the energy flow. So it stimulates the organs function internally. So patient will tell me my skin is better, my digestion is better, my heart, my sleep palpitation is better, and for some people my breathing is better, and for men sometimes sex drive is much better. All this one is because your metabolism rate is improved with this treatment. For some patients, when they do tension release, because they're too tight, especially if some weight gain patient, if they get nervous, they want to eat more sweet, or they're easily to get stressed out, then tension release is a big plus, because the body tensed up, circulation slow down. Moxide can help, but just like a holding fist and open hands, both the moxide can help the circulation. But if you can release your tension, loosen up your body, then the moxide can do much better job. That's the idea behind it. Sometimes we give herbs, especially when people we believe have a lot of weakness, energy problem, or dampness. The fat belly like water-ish, or you touch the belly is cold, then we might give the herbs as well. And in China, it's very popular. And we give the herbal tea. You don't need to cook it. Just use boiled water, soak it, couple minutes, then you can drink like every day. Very simple, straightforward. This is the idea for weight loss. Now maybe you want to ask, I gained weight after I gave the birth to my baby. We're going to apply the weight loss to post-pregnancy weight loss now. After pregnancy, after give baby, and that's the image in people's mind. I was pregnant, now I have a lovely baby. But what's the reality for give birth? Not only a lovely baby, it has a huge impact on your body as well. Number one, your metabolism worn out. For our own body, in 10 months, you're not able to, like a baby, grow so big, so fast, so much. In other words, the baby in your belly demands much more metabolism work to grow than yourself, than your own body. Now what happened? Your body just worn out. That's when for some women they get diabetes during pregnancy. But after the baby is born, no demand from the baby for your metabolism. Then, just like a car unloaded, the problem is gone. The blood sugar level drop. But if you get diabetes during pregnancy, 80% when you're getting older, you might get diabetes. Because by naturally, your body is still easy to worn out. But for every single woman, your metabolism will be worn out or would worn out during pregnancy. It's a fact. That's the reason why in China or Indian, after give birth for at least 1 month, up to 3 months, you will eat a lot of 25 strengthening herbs like pork feet, chicken, huge nutrition. You will never eat in the regular time. But after pregnancy, in Indian or China, that's very popular. Chinese called 坐月子. It's been 1 month, just lying down, don't waste energy, eat all the good food to strengthen and rebuild your body. In the United States, it's very hard to have the same taking care or diet. And I know some Chinese company provide that kind of program. The post-pregnancy diet program costs around $8,000 for 3 months to strengthen the body. But every single woman, your pregnancy, your body type, the process is different. Some has like C-section, some have a saggy belly. Chinese medicine believe because your body type is different, your worn out is different. Not only you need to strengthen your body with good rest, a lot of nutrition, very essential nutrition, you also need a specific individual program to balance your qi. So metabolism worn out is one thing. Of course, give a baby lost blood, especially if you have a C-section, lost a lot of blood, and the Chinese medicine believe you lost the qi as well because your body are so open for the baby to come out. That's a lot for energy as well. And after give birth, if you don't have anybody to take care of your baby, then the baby definitely is a huge distraction for your sleep. And again, sleep's number one for recovery and at the time for metabolism. Your metabolism is worn out already. You lost a lot of blood and qi during delivery. And now, after the baby was born, sleep is big minus. How can your body not weak? That's the reason a lot of women feel, I'm so tired, and you get so weak, and you gain so much weight. That's the reality for post-pregnancy weight gain. How to fix it? Same as weight loss. Raise up your metabolism rate, rebuild your health, rebuild the energy level, fix your sleep issue. Once your metabolism rate goes up, not only your weight will go down, your saggy belly will become firm, your birthmark will be much better, all the discoloration of your skin from the delivery will be much cleaned up, and your muscle and your skin will become like when you were 20s, 30s again. And also as bonus, we fix the scars for C-section. If you did a C-section and you feel nothing, good luck. But after C-section, when you cough, when you go bathroom, when you have sex, you can feel the scar affect you. You need to do tension release, specific targeted C-section scar. For any woman, if you have a C-section, touch the scar. If the scar one side is harder and bigger and superficial on your skin compared to other ending, you know the scar has a one line. One ending is bigger, harder, and more superficial. Another one is almost you don't feel the scar, just like the ending has nothing, not tight, almost like normal. Then the harder, the superficial, that end, the scar is in trouble. Because when they're sewing your skin, internal or external, they're from one end, start sew the skin together to the other end. Most time, 80% women when touch the C-section scar is different. One side is bigger, harder, and more superficial. That's the place you need to do tension release. It can solve a lot of problems. You have no constipation, you have no period problem, you have no sex drive problem, whatever, before your C-section, but after give delivery, you have C-section, then you have all this issue, the scar might be the issue. And my wife had one friend, worked for a big IT company, gave birth to 2 kids. 8 years after, the oldest kid was 8 years already. 2 C-section, cannot cough, have some menstruation issue, urination issue, one-time tension release for the scar, the C-section scars. And she told us like 80% improved. So it can be a small problem, can be no problem, but can be huge impact from the C-section scar on your health. If you have that issue, talk to us. It might not be hard to fix at all. Okay, this is the seminar for weight loss and the post-pregnancy weight loss. So if you have any issue, you want to ask me like, Doctor, is my sleep cause my weight gain, or is my diet, or is because my health goes down, my metabolism rate is so low, or because my stress level? Feel free to contact us for a free consultation. I examine your body, check your pulse, look at your tongue. I will tell you right away which type is your issue. Again, when you do weight loss, doesn't matter post-pregnancy weight loss or just general weight loss, do not do the aggressive way. The more you lose weight in a month, the more you will regain in the future. Personally, I suggest lose around 1 to 2 pounds if you do it on your own. If you do with our program, lose around 3 to 5 pounds a month is better. And it's supposed to be your energy is better, digestion is better, sex drive better, sleep better. Then you lose 3 to 5 pounds as a bonus. And 3 to 6 months later, you have very solid outcome with better health, better skin, better energy, and much better look, body shape. That's the only right way to do it. Again, if any weight loss program does not improve your metabolism rate and energy level, don't do it. You might cost your health as the price for the weight loss. So long-term weight loss is a result from better health, and you need a plan for your body's need. What's your plan? Contact us, or you can visit our website, diabeteswellnesscare.com. All the video link or our health talk or our information is on the website, diabeteswellnesscare.com. And I'm Dr. Aaron Wu. Thank you for joining today's seminar and presentation. If you have a question, feel free to talk to me. Thank you.